think the power went out.
Yeah, she sent me a text, don't answer her call. She love when I flex and shop in the mall. Relieving the stress, I beat down her wall. Beat on her chest, she kissing.
What up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna make a vlog, a little short vlog. Apparently there's a little hurricane or tropical storm coming. So you feel me? I was just shopping, you feel me? My battery been going for so long. But yeah, got it, yeah. Alright, yeah, it's the next day, you feel me? Feel me? It's not a hurricane, you feel me? But it's just a little tropical storm, but you feel me? Sometimes it be going to hurricanes, so you feel me? If it turns to a hurricane, this might just be a hurricane vlog. It might just be a hurricane vlog. Cause ain't nothing really else to post on YouTube. The quarantine going on. So I be doing this and sometimes. It's not on purpose, just cause I don't have nothing to post. But right now, it should be coming by tomorrow. So this is what it look like, you feel me? It's over here, you feel me? I don't know where this is. What is it? San Domingo? San Domingo, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I'm not focusing, but yeah, we're over here in Florida, you feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, they said it's coming straight to Florida, but it's a tropical storm, but you feel me? Like I said, it gets worse sometimes. Hopefully it doesn't, but if it does, I always got a hurricane vlog. And what's worse about this is, it's Corona, like how you gonna have Corona and the hurricane? So like, I don't know how this is gonna go out, but y'all boys pray, you feel me? Nothing bad happen. Hopefully it don't go to a 5, 4, 3, 2. Just like, keep it calm, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'll get back to y'all probably when it starts to get worse. If it starts to get worse, or when it's closed. So like, y'all boys stay tuned.
The next day.
Alright, y'all, so it's the next day, and what did I say? I knew it was gonna happen. So now it's a hurricane. That's what they said, it's a hurricane now. But now they say it's just gonna like barely touch Florida, so it's gonna hit like the east side. Now it's a hurricane. Should be coming here by tonight. Why am I thing so zoomed? Yeah, should be coming here by tonight. This is how it look like right now. If y'all can see it, bro. Right now it's about to hit the Bahamas in like a good couple hours. So like, feel me, the Bahamas right there. So like, close. I'll update y'all, feel me. If it go to a 2 or 3, man, so nothing's not gonna be weird. Trees gonna be falling, but anyways, y'all boys, I'm gonna be waiting here. You feel what I'm saying? The worst thing is quarantine, and it has to be a hurricane. And it's a hurricane, like, man. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Alright, y'all, so they said the hurricane gonna come in a couple of days. I mean, might come tonight, but you feel me? We gotta get some
hurricane coming tonight, so.
we gotta get some Olive Garden, because today's a special day. Today's a special day, so we gotta get some Olivia Garden. The countdown to the hurricane. Hopefully it don't be that bad. See the lighting in this car. But yeah, it was good, y'all boys. We're at the mall with it. You feel me? It's early, so like I'm kind of tired, kind of not. But we at the mall with it. I know this ain't part of the hurricane, but at the mall still, and the hurricane should be coming soon. They said it's coming by like 8 o'clock tonight, so I'm gonna keep y'all updated with that one, you feel me? Right now, at the mall, finna get some clothes, cause like, once this Corona thing ends, school come back, and like, I ain't trying to have the same drip, you feel me? Ooh. Alright, I'm saying some stuff, I ain't trying to have the same drip, you know what I'm saying?
38.50, boss.
Alright, thank you. Small bag. See the thing? I call that the Happy Meal. You feel me? A little small bag. You feel me? The Scooby-Doo bag. You feel me? What I'm saying? So we in the mall with it. Got the Scooby-Doo bag with me. Just cash out. You feel me? Something slight. You feel me? Anything. What's up, y'all? So I know I've been gone for a while, y'all boys. I always say every video I've been gone for a while, but y'all boys gotta understand, man. Ain't nothing to post. Y'all boys gotta give me some ideas, no cap, but yeah, I'm still shopping. You feel me? I'm about to finish soon. Ain't no hurricane, bro. Like, come on, bro. Everybody's still shopping. Ain't no hurricane, but yeah. Had the mask on for hours. Boys, the hurricane is here. Oh boy, the hurricane here, man. Don't slap.
Hurricane ISSI, so I don't know what the name of the name is.
Slap.
What's the hurricane name?
Isaiah.
No,
Isaiah.
Isaiah. Or something like that.
Some Greek name.
ISSS.
Hey man. Let's find on the window. Let's see how it goes. Let's see the hurricane here. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. It's the outer band. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Woo!
Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
Turn up the window. Crazy.
Bro, let's see how the hurricane going, but turn on the light. You need to know how to drive, but that's it, man. The hurricane is here. Power's gonna go out soon.
No power. What? There's no AC. Power goes out. Crazy.
I know, power gonna go out soon. Hopefully not.
No.
The next day.
Yo, I think the power went out. Nah, I'm playing. Let me not lie to my people. I just woke up. It's the next day. Feel me? It's always been happening with Florida, so basically it's not hitting anymore. It's always been happening. Last hurricane before that, but let me show y'all boys. I woke up. Last night was so close. I was like, damn. Now that's on gone. See y'all. This is the hurricane right here. And oh shoot, where did I go? I don't even know where I went. Where am I? Oh my gosh. Alright, that's the hurricane. And that's us right here. So hurricane went up and didn't even touch the area. It's not even raining. So it was a conspiracy theory, man. No hurricane come to no Florida, you feel what I'm saying? Florida got the sharks battling out the West Coast. That's what I'm thinking is happening. Like they got the sharks battling out the West Coast. Pa 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 pa, ka 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 ka. You know what I'm saying? They be battling out the West Coast, find the hurricane, we slap them with their tail, and the Dolphins too. Don't get it twisted. Like the Dolphins, not the football team, but I'm just saying. Anyways, so feel me? If it's not like a hurricane, I'm sorry, y'all boys. I failed y'all. I thought it was gonna be a hurricane too. Like, yeah, I know y'all be like, oh, wow. I thought it was a hurricane too, so y'all boys don't come for me, but let me show y'all, bro. What, like, water bottles. Look at that, bro. Straight water bottles. Yeah, that's it for y'all boys. King Keys out. Hope y'all make sure to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And that's it. I'll see y'all later.
Ice up. Ice what? Whoa, whoa, baby, poke it out, poke it out, poke it out, baby, poke it out, poke it out, poke it out.